Hello everyone. In this video I am going to cover topic working with hyperlinks of session 2 of unit 2 electronic spreadsheet. Now just to explain this topic practically I am going to use OpenOffice Calc. So here one worksheet in the OpenOffice Calc workbook I have opened, and now here I am going to create one hyperlink in the cell B5, and when I click on that hyperlink I will be able to open other document that is available in my computer memory. So that I am going to do here in this topic. So just to create hyperlink in the worksheet of OpenOffice Calc, first of all select the cell where you want to create the hyperlink. So as I want to create hyperlink in the cell B5, so this cell B5 is selected, and thereafter I have to select or click on the insert tab that is available on the menu bar. And as I clicked on the insert tab of the menu bar, here I am getting one menu, and in this menu I have to select this hyperlink option. So now as I clicked on the hyperlink option, I am getting a hyperlink window, and here as I am going to create new document, and that new document I want to link with the hyperlink of cell B5 of this worksheet. So for that I have to use this new document option. Now after the selection of this new document option, here I am getting two options. One is the edit now and second one is edit later. So as I want to edit the new document that I am going to create here, not now but after some time, so that's why I have to select this edit later option. Now after that, next one is file. So I have to select the location where I want to store or save my new file, as well as by using this option I will give name to my new file also. So for that I have to use this option, that is select path. So as I clicked on the select path, here I am getting select path window, and here I have to select the folder or location where I want to store my new file. So as I want to store that on my desktop, so that's why I have to select desktop from here. So desktop is selected, and thereafter OK. So here you can see the full path name of the desktop has come. Now after this slash I have to give name to my new file that I want to create here. So I'm giving name to that new file as testing. So here this is the complete details of the file option. So first of all, here this is the location where our file that I am going to create here will get stored, and this is the name of the new file, that is testing. Now after that, next is file type. So here we are getting different type of file types. So we have to select one type of file that I want to create. So as I want to link with this worksheet cell B5 one text document, so that's why I have to select this text document option here. If you want, you may use or select other options also. So text document is selected from here. After that, next one is form, and in the form two options are there. One is the text and second one is button. Now what kind of hyperlink we want to create? By using this text option we can create the hyperlink in the text form, and by using the button we can create the hyperlink in the button form. So as I want to create the hyperlink in the text form, so text is selected, and thereafter next one is text. So here I have to enter the text that I want to mention as the hyperlink. So I'm just writing here example. So this text example will come in the B5 cell as the hyperlink, and thereafter I'm just clicking on the apply. So as I clicked on the apply, you can notice now in the cell B5 we are getting the text example, and thereafter I'm clicking on the close option. So now this example is a hyperlink, and as I'm bringing my mouse pointer on the example text, so it is getting changed into the hand shape. So this means example is now hyperlink, and now we can click on it. So as I'm clicking on it, you can notice that one new document got opened here, and this is a text document because I selected their text document. And on the title bar you can notice name of this file is testing. So this file name I gave when I was creating the hyperlink, so that's why we are getting testing name here. So here you have seen that how can we create the hyperlink in cell of OpenOffice Calc. So this topic got over here, and session 3 of unit 2 I will start from the next video. So this video I am going to end here.